Hi everyone, so I'm back with another digital kit. This is all vintage wallpaper that I've scanned in and done a few things to some of them. I have got another one which is just 5 pages. This, which I will link below, this one is 16 pages, but it has some pockets and tags and ephemera throughout as well. So like I said, this is actually vintage wallpaper, and then I've just kind of fiddled around with it on Photoshop and just changed it just a little bit. So this is like a background sheet. I thought I'd sorted these a bit better than that. Then there is this. This is actually 2 of the vintage wallpapers that I have obviously scanned in, and I've layered the 2 of them together. So we've got the stripe and the floral in the background. Then this is just the stripe on its own, and that's have changed it a little bit. Then we have this lovely pink, yellow and green floral, and we have the blue and yellow green floral. Then we have this one, which is pink and yellow green floral, and then I've put that again, that is 2 wallpapers that I've kind of amalgamated together. Is that a word, amalgamated? Yeah. Then we have this one here. And then these are some vintage ephemera that I've layered on top some of the wallpaper as well. So you've got the script, and then you've got the vintage wallpaper on top. And then we have this one, and again that is a vintage wallpaper, and I've layered that on top of this vintage piece here. And then again another one with the, like this one here is with the blue, and this one here is with the pink. And then I made some tags, and this is actually from, do you know what, I was feeling that and I thought, oh, that feels textured. It doesn't. It doesn't at all, but it kind of looks, it really gives that textured look. These are actually some of the papers are from the first kit. So this is, like I said, this is the second wallpaper kit. So the first one I will link below. Then these are just some postcards, and I've layered the florals over the top from the wallpaper. And then we have some pockets. So this, I'm going to play around with this hopefully in the next day or 2. Got some Christmas shopping to get done. And then these are just 2 sounded weird, 2 vintage pieces that obviously, you know, I like to kind of have things and fold them into my journal pages. So again, this has just got the florals on the top, and that one is the blue and green and yellow, and this one is the pink, green and yellow. So that is the kit. 16 pages, will be in my shop. I will I will link this below. I'm looking forward to playing around with that. Thing is with this as well, because I've done some of them lengthways, it'd be good to do the long skinny journals, which I like doing, and so does many others. And even with some of these, you know, they can be used in more than one direction, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's see what I can come up with these. So the links will be below, and if you're interested, then pop on over and have a peek, and if you have any questions, just ask. So thanks for watching. Bye.